Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Meron na naman tayong bagong creation for this week guys. And itong sinuot ko ngayon ay kakatapos ko lang itong ginawa. Matagal ko na itong gustong tahiin guys. Nakita ko itong style na to sa isang website kaya gusto ko siyang gayahin. Na guys, umpisahan na natin ang ating pagtahi.
So this is the fabric that we're going to use. Medyo silky siya. I already cut it into my body size, the front and back. And also I prefer the lace or tie in the back. Bago natin tatahiin siya together, we're going to leave a space 1 inch in both side para ito yung gagamitin natin. Tahiin natin sa gilid. Ito yung gagamitin natin para ipasok yung lace. At itong maliit na fabric, tatahiin natin siya dito sa gilid. May dalawa tayong ganyan, both sides. So, apat ang tatahiin natin. At ito sa neck area, tutupiin natin at tahiin. Tamang-tamang space lang para ipasok yung lace. Now we sew them together and we're gonna leave 1 inch in both sides so we can insert the lace in this side. Atong sa dulo guys, tatahiin natin dyan para hindi siya matanggal.
So this is the dress. Simple siya sa harap. At sa likod, medyo revealing siya. Ito, may kulot-kulot siya. Pwede siyang i-adjust mo siya. This is a tie. You can adjust this one. At saka sa the same here. At sa likod. Sa likod yan, medyo revealing siya. Ayan guys, this is our creation for this week, and I'm very happy and satisfied with what I've finished because gustong-gusto ko to siyang tahiin kasi nakita ko siya sa isang website na maganda siya. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet into my YouTube channel. Please consider subscribing and share it to your friends. And see you in my next creation. Ta-da!